We're a local family-owned plastic bag manufacturer. We actually took over a company called Oahu Plastic 4 years ago.
Oahu Plastic Bags contacted us because one of our ground transformers outside of their property that powers them was leaking.
Within a few weeks, they got it replaced. While they were here, they noticed that my electrical bill was a little high.
We noticed that it was a facility that uses quite a bit of electricity. So we did an investigation and we discovered that there are some opportunities.
They gave me an analysis of how I could save money. Change the lighting, hours of operation.
We recommended to try out our time of use rate schedule. And after the first few months, there was an increase of maybe anywhere from 2% savings of what it would have been had he stayed on the previous rate schedule. We just want to see if there's any possible way we could be a resource or to be able to help save some of the costs on your energy.
They ultimately saved me some money on my bill, and I'm very happy with them.